How to fix YouTube playback error. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can fix YouTube playback error, whether on phone, computer or smart TV. Well, whichever platform you're using to access YouTube and whichever platform you're facing the YouTube playback error on, the first step is to always close that particular application. So close YouTube application if you're facing the playback issue first. Once you have closed the application, you want to restart your device, whether you're using phone, computer or smart TV. As I mentioned earlier, turn off your device and turn it back again. This is to clear the temporary glitches. Now, ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection and head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that your YouTube application that you're using is updated to the latest version. Now, sometimes not updating software can also cause some glitches, so you want to make sure of that as well. And then your issue should be fixed. If you're still facing the issue, you can head over to Google Chrome and you can download the previous versions of YouTube application and install it on your device. However, make sure to only use trusted sites, as online sites can contain malware that can harm your device. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.